Hi there, welcome back. In last lecture, we have been talking about the conversions between bits, hexadecimal characters, and decimals. In this lecture, I'll continue, and I will show you how you can call a contract functions or how you can access basically your storage in the contract with the console. All right, let's start. Let's open here Ganache. Let's go to contracts faucet, and the faucet we are keeping value of funds. We are keeping here counter value and also test value. Let's access these values. Okay, so what we can do without even have any interface, so without any website which will be interacting with our smart contract, we can interact with our smart contracts through the Truffle console. Truffle console will connect to this private blockchain, and we will be able to access our storage contract, and we'll be able to access our storage. Okay, let's do it. Let's go to our console. I'll clear it out. And to access the console, you just simply need to run a command Truffle console, and that's it. So Truffle space console, and that's gonna be it. Now you are basically have access to the network, and you can ask for your contract. You can write here normal JavaScript code. So what I will write here const, I'll write here instance. So I will be assigning this to the instance variable. You can call it as you want, doesn't really matter. This will be asynchronous call, so you need to use here await, and you will call here how we are calling our contract, faucet dot and deploy. This will get you instance of your contract like this instance. Now, and whenever I here instance, you can see here methods we have available on the counter. So you can see here counter, we have available counter, funds, and a test. I didn't told you before, but when you are creating public variables, where is our contract? Here is our contract. When we are creating public variables, this will automatically create also getter functions to access these values. So that's why you are seeing here in the terminal that you have here a counter method, you have here a funds method, and you have a test method. So that's why you can access your funds and also these other values in the storage. Okay, so what we can now access, we can get here variable, let's say const, we can call it funds. Let's assign here instance dot funds. Since we have this getter function, we can call it, and this will get me funds. And this is asynchronous, so again, you need to write here await. All right, this will get you a funds. You can see funds. It's a BN type, so it's a big number type. We want to convert it into the string, so write here funds to string. Let's call it, and now you have here your 1000 number. So is this correct? Does the funds have the 1000? Yeah, it has a 1000. Let's try to access a counter in the same fashion. So const counter await instance.counter. Okay, counter to string -10. Okay, so const test equals await instance.test. All right, and the test to string, and here is our number. So we can access all of our numbers in all of our values in the storage, and this way through the terminal we can interact with our smart contract. Of course, we don't want to interact with our smart contract through a console all the time, but we would like to use our website, our React application to interact with the contract. But this will work a little bit later. Okay, so this is just what I want to show you in this lecture. Let's continue. Next one we'll be doing some further coding. See you there, guys.